Kia ora, I'm David Chaston with 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz. This will get everything you need to know in 90 seconds at 9 o'clock with news. There are plenty of bumps in the economic road to note today. But first up, there was another full dairy auction overnight, one that analysts had been nervous about, and the derivatives market saw downside risks. In the end, overall prices were unchanged in US dollars, so the industry will take that as a win. But in New Zealand dollars, prices fell 3.3% overall as the US dollar weakened. Butter inched higher and to a new record high. But whole milk powder was little changed and skim milk powder fell. China was in there buying, although not with notable enthusiasm. All eyes now turn to Fonterra's interim report on Friday, and the expectations are for only minor tweaks to their payout levels over that which they have already announced at record highs. In the US, the retail impulse tracking through their Red Book index still shows a strong year-on-year 5.2% gain compared to the same week a year ago, but the advantage is fading. And American housing starts unexpectedly jumped 11% in February from January, but that was making back the 12% fall in the prior month. It was a similar story for US industrial production. And Canada reported its CPI inflation rate of 2.6%, which was a notable rise from their January level of 1.9% and the expectation of just 2.2%. It is probably only going to get worse from here due to the snarky tariff war the Americans started and the Canadian collective reactions to it. Across the Atlantic in Germany, and by a two-thirds majority, their parliament has approved a massive €1 trillion funding increase to allow it to build its defence capability and support Ukraine. It is a massive change in attitude to their fiscal policy direction. The US Treasury 10-year yield is now at 4.27%, down 3 basis points from yesterday. And we should probably note that the Tesla share price is down another 6% so far today. And the price of gold will start today at just on $3,036 an ounce, and up a net $42 from yesterday, and another all-time high. And oil prices are down 50 cents at just under $67 a barrel US, while the international Brent price is just under $70.50 a barrel. And the Kiwi dollar is now at 58.2 US cents and unchanged from yesterday at this time, maintaining its recent gains. Against the Aussie, we're up 20 basis points at 91.4 Australian cents and a 3-month high. Against the euro, we're unchanged at 53.2 euro cents. That all means our trade-weighted index starts today at just over 67.3 and marginally firmer. You can get more news about the economy in New Zealand from interest.co.nz. Kia ora, I'm David Chaston, and we'll do this again tomorrow.